Welcome to Music Time. We are going to start by singing our Little Seeds song. Have your little seeds grown? The seeds that you planted, either the zinnia seeds or the bean seeds, or maybe you've been planting some other seeds that you found at the store. Here are my zinnia plants, and I wanted to show them today because we were talking about how plants bring beauty to our earth. And I got brave and took one of them out, but I haven't picked which other one I have to take out yet. This one's taller, but sometimes the shorter ones do better, so they don't have to have as long of a stem. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. So there's my zinnia ones. I hope yours have grown. Let's sing our song about the little seeds lying fast asleep in a row in the ground. And that might be what happens if you plant a garden. They might be asleep for a while till it gets warm enough for them to grow. So, are you ready to sing? You can do the actions. If you have a friend, or a brother, or sister, or a mom, or a dad, you can play the seed in the sun game if you want. Here we go. Little seeds lie fast asleep in a row, in a row. Wake up, calls the sun. Wake up now and grow. Little seeds wake one by one, in a row, as they stretch up towards the sun and begin to grow. I hope you've had fun with that song in that game. Now, today we've been working on another song a little bit, our classical music selection, and it's called Waltz of the Flowers. And do you remember what that word waltz means? It means a dance. Waltz is a particular kind of dance with 3 beats. And do you remember how we counted? We went 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So a waltz is a dance that has 3 counts. That's the steps that you do. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 with your feet. But since we're just, little kids or whatever, we don't have to do the official waltz. We've been doing lots of things with that song. And today we get to use our flower puppet. So I want you to think about this question. Do flowers really dance? Well, some of you might say, yes, they do. When the wind blows them back and forth, they look like they're dancing. And some of you might say, no, flowers can't dance. They've got to stay in the ground so the roots can go down and get nutrients and water out of the ground. So both answers are correct. Sometimes the flowers look like they're swaying, but they probably don't move around. But since this is a puppet, and we can pretend, we can move this flower around any way we want. So let me start the music, and I will just show you a few things. Then the next playlist, or the next song on our playlist, is the Waltz of the Flowers again. So you can click on that, get your puppet out, and make it dance as long as you want. And you can dance with the puppet. I know all of you are really great dancers.